How to play Pokemon Sleep. Well, hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, after downloading it from Play Store or App Store, you need to just install it in your device. And after that, you will be able to set up your username and username for your pet also. After setting all of it, you will also be setting your bedtime. And in case if you want to change your bedtime, just click on this option of bedtime. After that, you need to select the time when you actually go to your bed. This way, this tracker or this app will be able to track your sleep. You can track 2 sleep sessions per day, but your sleep should be more than 90 minutes in order for this app to do particular research on your sleep. And in case if you want to check out your friends' sleeping routine or you want to check how they are performing in their sleep score, you can simply click on friends and after that wait for it to load. Here all your friends and their research will appear. Then you can also select what is the kind of information that you want your friends to see about you. You can simply select it. Suppose you don't want your friends to know your total sleep time, just simply turn it off. This way your friends won't be able to know about the total time you have slept. This way you would be able to turn it off or on for other options as well. Then click on OK. And in case if you want to add some friends, simply click on plus with friends icon on the top. Here you will be given the researcher ID. Just copy it and share it with your friends. And if your friend shares their researcher ID, just click on this option of enter a researcher ID. Now you can simply put their researcher ID and search them up and then add them. In case if you want to scan, just click on scan to decode. And you can also find your Facebook friend over here by just simply clicking on this option of search via Facebook. Just get back. And now when you click on this option of friends menu, you will be able to see all your friends and the requests that you will be receiving from different people. Just get back. In order for this game to work, you will have to keep this device or your mobile device right beside your pillow, but make sure that you are not putting it under the pillow or under blanket. Keep it outside the blanket or pillow, but keep it near. Also, if you sleep on your belly, then make sure that you keep your device also on its belly, which is the front side down and the rear side up. So this way you will be able to do proper research on your sleep and your sleeping type. And if you want to make any changes in this application, then just simply click on the menu option at the top. And here you will find the general settings. Just click on it. And now you will be able to see all the reminders that you will be receiving. You can turn them off or on. You can also select the time period when you don't want any notification from this particular app. You can also change the sound settings. Here you will be receiving Pokemon cries in order to wake you up. You can also select the other settings and there is this option to delete account in case if you want to. Then just simply cancel it. And you can also change the language if you want to. Just click on language settings and select it appropriately. After that, you will be able to use a different language on this account. You can also pair your device with Pokemon Go Plus device. Just simply click on this option of pair device in order to pair it. And in order to track your sleep, just click on this option of start tracking sleep. This way this app will be able to track your sleep while you are asleep. And this app will also be recording your voices or the noises around you while you are sleeping. So you can go around listening to these noises after you wake up. And this is how you use Pokemon Sleep to track and research on your particular sleep pattern. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.